Hi Vivi, this is the answer to the question that you were looking at. So the equation is 4 root 2 cosine x minus 8 sine x cosine x equals 0, and you're looking for two solutions in the interval from 0 to pi over 2. Okay, so the way I would look at this, I think, is to try and factor out something out of the top line. So as I look at this, I would see that I can take a 4 and an 8. So a 4 will be the GCF there, and I can take cosine x out of both of them as well. So the GCF here would be 4 cosine x. Okay, so let's remove that, and if you do that, you get 4 cosine x, and what you're left with is root 2 minus 2 sine x equals 0. Okay, so if you have this product, 4 cosine x times root 2 minus 2 sine x equals 0, either one of them is equal to 0 or the other one is. So you have 4 cosine x equals to 0, and if we continue to solve that, divide both sides by 4, just gives you cosine x equals 0, and in the interval from 0 to pi over 2, the only solution to that in that interval is x equals pi over 2. Okay, or probably what you're looking for, because the pi is given, so what you want to put into the computer, the way it's designed that you showed me, is x equals 1/2. So that's the part that you want to put in, because the pi was already there in the computer. Okay, so I think that's going to work for that one. And then the other one, root 2 minus 2 sine x equals 0. So let's move the root 2 over. We get minus 2 sine x is equal to negative root 2, and then divide by negative 2, and that's going to give you sine x. A minus divided by minus will be a plus root 2 over 2. And if you don't remember where that is, you can do it the chart, or you can check your unit circle, whatever way that you learn to do it. I do it by a chart. Root 2 over 2 is right here. And you can see the angle that gives you root 2 over 2 for sine is pi over 4. So let's go back here. And that would mean x is equal to pi over 4. Apologize for the mobile phone going off. And again, because of the way it's written on the website that you showed me, you probably just want to type in 1/4 or 0.25, something along those lines, because again the pi is already there. So those are the two solutions. Okay, I hope that helps a little bit. But if there's anything else, just let me know and I'll do what I can. And I'll see you soon. Okay, take care.